Hello my friends, another Murray, but it's a Briggs & Stratton Classic Series flathead. The new 550E is the one that replaces this one, I think, with the overhead valves. So when I first got it in, it had two problems. Now it's got one major problem. The blade was scraping on the front grass guard that goes around here. And I just used a ball peen hammer and beat that back so that it's a ½ an inch away or 1 centimeter away from the blade. So let's get her up in the air and get that shroud cover off. Excuse me while I dress. I'm going to address this lawnmower. 158cc, that's big for a classic. And I had it tilted over and a little oil came out of the muffler, so she's going to smoke whenever it does come around. And I did what Donny Boy 73 calls an air wash, eh? So, tools. Let me think about this. I'm going to need small sockets, big sockets, all SAE. Well, okay, that's small, that's big. Still small, right? My niece is a mechanic, heavy-duty mechanic, and she laughs at my sockets. Anyway, we want to take some stuff off here. Here and 5/16. We know that. Very common size for small engines. 1/4 inch, I was wrong. First time ever. Okay, what's going on? Should come on. I know it's clipped at the front. There. Cool. Okay. Air cleaner. Let's just have a look and see how bad that is. I think this old lawnmower needs some love. Oh my God, and it even fired. You know, would it be worthwhile trying to fire that up right now? Why isn't that sealing? Right, this is a Murray. That Murray only has one spring instead of two on the idle. Just right here on the throttle. Why is that leaking air? That should be pumping. How much gas don't we have? Well, it should be enough to pump a little bit. Try it. You know what? Let's just try a little more fuel. I'm going to dump out what's there, just because. Good. Now I gotta go past, so. I didn't get any fuel out of it. There is some in there. Right. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Where did I put my thingy-maroo? Oh, I didn't. This thing. That's my gas thing. I'm going to use my gas sucker. I'll be calling on lots of edits here. Edit. Okay, so we get a clean cloth. I don't know if you guys were remembering, about 3 weeks ago I was complaining that I didn't have any product in the, no tune-ups or anything like that, and now I am just completely swamped. And of course now it's gardening season too. So yeah, no rest for the wicked on this one. Good. Hey, mister! Stop! Okay, there wasn't much gas in there at all, and it looks nice and clean in there now. So let's just see if we can break my wrist. The glurps get bigger the smaller the amount of gas you have. Half a tank, that's how they're calibrated on these suction tanks. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to lose my arm. There we go. We're squirting now. That's good. We don't need a new primer bulb. One less feature. Now I just wonder if it was backfiring because that air filter was so dirty. I don't see it. Ooh, let me get that out of there. I'm just going to give her a little tug. Oh, nice. Unplug the spark plug. Oh, you know what? I bet you the cylinder's full of oil. Oh my gosh. This just keeps going from bad to worse, Dave. Let's put a rag over that. Clamp the handle. No, that's fine. So I think it's got a broken flywheel key like I talked about earlier. First fire plug. So I'm going to clean it off with some card cleaner. And I'm going to go to the grinder. I don't even want to try this again, but spark plug's clean. Don't have to go back and do that now. It did puke out a bunch of oil from the muffler. It's going to smoke if it does start. To me, it looks like the breather's not connected too, but it is. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm frightened. Hey, it wants to do something. Okay guys, so what happened on this cute little Classic is the air filter, it's clean now, right? Look how beautiful that is. Was so plugged with oil that the only place that it could get air was from this little tube right here that comes, whoops, there we go, let's go back. I'm trying to do this. This little tube goes right into the crankcase, and the carburetor was sucking air and oil into the carburetor and down in and getting burned. And because it could not draw air through the carburetor, and it still has the seal on it, you see that? So it once it started sucking oil through this tube instead of through the air filter, it just started spewing out oil out of every orifice, mostly the muffler, and it covered the entire lawnmower with oil. So there you go. That's crazy, hey? And actually, this mower has not been mistreated. It just somebody, I don't like oiling these, okay? I'm just going to be honest with you, because people use the wrong kind of oil and it gets stiff and it won't let air through. So there you go. So now we better do a demo. It's been sitting for a week. Yeah, you can hear it squishing nice. I'll give her 6 because she's old too, right? Let's put you up. Let's put you up here. No. Put you over here, and it should start. Bada boom, bada bing. Close. And I'm sure that little puff of blue is still from oil in the muffler and tucked in behind the valves and, you know, up on the rings. It was completely jammed with oil. So thanks for that, guys. It was real fun. That was a fun job for me. Bye.